organizes high tantric initiations and profound Dharma teachings by inviting high lamas. Monks do retreat in the monastery prominently, like Hayagriva Retreat, Summer Retreat, and so on. Tamdin Yamsong, Hayagriva, is the protecting deity of Sera Jey Monastery University. It was rightly given this place by Venerable Puja after significantly experiencing various forms of divine predictions and auspicious symbols, which directed him to accept and initiate in the worshipping of this sacred and divine deity. Hayagriva is a wrathful characteristic of Chandasik, Avalokiteshvara. The deity is well known for its supreme power in removing obstacles and also for its healing power. Besides studying and practicing Buddhist philosophy, monks in the monastery performs daily prayers and has major prayers like Sangje Chemo, Risang Chemo, and so on. Tamdin Prurjel. Only the day of Buddha Procession Festival, 27th day of the 12th month of Tibetan calendar, the sacred relic of Tamdin Pupa, Dagger of exorcism, is brought out to make available the advanced blessing to devotees. On this day, the abbot of the monastery offers the infinite blessings of the Purba dipped in holy yellow cloth by placing it on devotee's head. Before the fall of this auspicious day, Abbot will be taking a week-long meditation retreat in dedication to this relic and for the auspicious The Torga is an year-end event performed to remove all ills and adversities. It is characterized by performing specific puja and ritual ceremonies. Where a particular dharma is constructed, puja is performed for 3 days from 27th to 29th. The day of the 12th month of Tibetan lunar calendar. On the 29th day, the dharma is proceeded out of the puja room and the final ritual is done before being set on fire.
Thank you for your question. In our Theravada tradition, and as I mentioned earlier,
Sera Jey Monastery organizes many conferences, such as Vinaya Conference, where all the monks from different Buddhist traditions of the world gather together and discuss about the Buddhist teachings and discipline. And we also invited scholars from within the Tibetan community and also from the other parts of the world, and especially from the India.
Truth in the path to enlightenment of Buddha from a personal suffering, the transformation, and to the realization.
The young novice monks are provided with the privilege of basic primary and secondary schoolings at our school's secondary school. The school has the affiliation of CBSE board, Government of India, and has all the basic facilities in the function of a full-fledged school from class 1 to 10. The pupils learn all the general subjects of a modern school, from English language to mathematics, and general science to humanities. Besides, basic Tibetan language, grammar, and Buddhist prayer manuals, culture are taught to pupils. On completion of their schooling, one joins the monastery's main academic curriculum. Sera Jey Healthcare Committee provides primary medical service to the monks and local communities through its 2 medical wings, allopathic and traditional Tibetan medicines. A well-equipped dental clinic with an experienced team provides dental care service. Sera Jey Library is the institutional library of monastic institute and a repository of the entire study curriculum, texts, and other references in the Buddhist philosophical studies. In addition to monastery's main academic curriculum in the study of Buddhist philosophy, the education department is formed lately to initiate, introduce, and implement interdisciplinary field of study through courses, workshops, and conferences. The department is also responsible for initiating and establishing protocol with other academic institutions, universities, and organizing exchange program in different academic fields. The Education Department administers the following departments: Sera Jey Monastery Research Center, Sera Jey Science Center, Translation Program, Translator Program, English Language Program. Sera Jey Science Center, following the successful outcome of Dharma Meets Science Program in 2002-2012, initiated by His Holiness the Dalai Lama to recon Tibetan Institute with his noble vision and initiative to introduce the knowledge of general science in Tibetan monastic institutes. The monastery has succeeded to take about the program further, but the project's formal underlined flying. The monastery taken every care in establishing the science center with all requisite facilities, from classroom to science teacher and laboratory to lab equipments. Science classes are conducted by a team of well-qualified science teachers. Regular science workshops and exhibitions are conducted with lectures and lab practical from renowned visiting professors and experts. Sera Jey Monastery organizes Chinese language class for the monks who have interest in learning Chinese language, and all the teachings are doing for free of course. Sera Jey Monastery has an English translation class where monks do translation and learn about the technique of translation from ancient Buddhist philosophy into English. Every year, many high-level dignitaries, government officials, professors, scientists, and renowned scholars visit our monastery for conference, scientific discussion, and for event and for special occasions. Rave Korwe Shikamsu Tenda Dewa Malu Chumre Chenre Sewa Disi Gyatso Yi Shabe Siti Badu De Yuji Shinda Chin Yini Yushaki Shulu Lobe Bata Sangje Deder Yaki Sota Rapeshi Kebe Jawan Amso Gebershu